Lengak ama sembada miyamgi kholauna hena maru oi haina Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjana Phongdokre wafam asingasi Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh Sinjuna Classic Grant Imphal gi Imperial Hall da pangthokiba Doctor and Nurses Meet ki thoram amaga mari lenena phongdokibani thoram aduda BJP Manipur Pradesh ke President Adhikari Mayum Sarda Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan Wangkai Assembly Constituency ki MLA Thangzam Arun Kumar Siza Hospitals ki Chairman Dr. 𝗟𝗘𝗜𝗚𝗡𝗜 VJP ki Vice President and Nimbus amasung Loktak Development Authority ke Chairman M. Asni Kumar Susaryaki. Thoram aduga mari lenena Ranjan Nahai. Miyamgi sauka thorangi lamda lengak asina leptana chathanaba honaduna lakli. Ngasi pangthokliba Your Dreams, Your Vision amadi, Your Manifesto ki thoram asi yamna maru oiba thoram amani. Miyamna lengak asina tauhaningba Tabak sing amadi kari makata na tawwa pami haibadu khana nainaba mathau tai naha oiba sing amadi miyai chalaba miyo singna masa gi wakalon phongdoktuna lamda masi hena saukhatnaba khana nainabagi sinba thoram amani loinena lengak amagi maru oiba thodangdi miyamgi khonjel tabana khwaidagi hena maru oi haina su phongdoki.
A minister of a particular department or a government schemes other report we have designated ministers to go there and see that and inform what are the things that are being done Manipur context and not only this Chief Minister Honorable Prime Minister level the report card from show the that is why city parties head over the all whether it's election or not any time ultimately why for the welfare of the people, for the welfare of our Indian citizens. So nasigi we have doctors, senior doctors, retired doctors, right up to doctors who are very young, nurses, retired nurses, to nurses who are very young, who are not that young, but in the middle age. Same goes with the doctors. Sigi, the ideas that would be shared by naha doctors, nurses, ideas,